And guys, I present to you my pretty much finished product, 488 GTE model. Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm taking delivery of an all-new 2020 Ferrari 488 GTE model. So guys, this is my very first supercar. And there you have it guys, the Ferrari 488 GTE model, that's right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do an unboxing and then installation. So guys, here it is. Let's go ahead now and cut it open here with my Cutco knife. Now for this side. Take a look inside guys and see. So here it is guys. I'll bring you guys more closer in. And there it is, my brand new supercar, the Ferrari 488 GTE. And by the looks of it guys, it's actually a convertible. Let's go ahead guys and look inside here. We've got a piece of cardboard. Okay. Piece of foam here that was taped on by this tape here. Just a piece of foam. Alrighty. Next guys, we've got some tape here with the actual instructions. Okay, as you guys know, here on my channel, we don't really use instructions, we just go with the flow basically. So that's pretty much garbage. Okay, next here is a warning label and the actual supercar. Let's go ahead now and take it out of the box. Wow guys, absolutely love it. Here you guys can see the wheels. They're actually these nice U wheels basically. Nice Ferrari center caps. See the 488 front with the headlights and the hood. And next inside here, another piece of foam padding. And next, DIY label. Let's see it. Okay. So the tricolore design, Italian flag. I guess it shows you where the actual pieces go. The 488 GT badges. And nice stickers here as well. These are like the rear side irons. Alright, wonderful. Next we have this kind of like an umbrella hook item, I guess for the steering wheel, and the actual steering wheel itself. Okay, I don't see a Ferrari logo on here, but there's a steering wheel. I don't know where the Ferrari logo went, and I'm guessing here's the actual horn button. Yeah, okay, so the horn doesn't sound so fantastic. It's basically like a little kid's toy, but that's okay. It's going to be a lot more quiet and a lot less annoying for parents, I guess. Here's the back of the steering wheel. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and install it. So guys, here's the actual car unwrapped. Wonderful guys, it looks amazing. Got a nice tricolore design down here already from the get-go. And here's the actual instrument cluster. You can see it in there. Okay, it says 488 GTE, actual RPM gauge, and Ferrari logo. Wonderful. Here's guys the front end of it. This guy's the rear end of it. Alright guys, let's go ahead now and put it down. It's basically how it comes now straight out of the box. So guys, first start off with this J pipe here, okay? Take out this screw and nut in here. It's out. Alright. And then once that's done, put the screw nut off the side somewhere safe. So you don't lose it for the next couple minutes. You actually go ahead and pick up the car and you insert this part of the J pipe into some kind of part under the car. Okay, you guys can see that, yeah. It goes like this, okay, and make sure you get the pipe to come out the top hole here, okay. We'll put that down now. Okay, so once it's down, keep on holding this pipe because if you let go, see it drops. So hold it up, and then I'm told to get your steering wheel. So the meantime, to make it easier, just got the steering wheel far away. I just put this screw back in. See, it holds it for you. And grab my steering wheel, which is over here. You put this pipe here through here. So I guess one hand will be actually on the steering wheel and one hand will be actually under the car, holding the pipe up. Let's go ahead now and do that. Okay, take the screw out, put the steering wheel in. Okay. Good. Alright guys, so spent about 5 minutes basically playing with the metal pipe down here and the steering wheel, rocking both side to side to get this hole to line up with the actual hole in the actual metal pipe to open up big enough to fit the whole screw right through it. So now the screw is right through it. You go ahead and get your supplied nut and you basically just nut it through. So how would you do this? I suggest you use a screwdriver. The screw basically takes a Phillips star-shaped screwdriver. Basically, hold the screwdriver on this side, because that's where the actual bolt head is, okay? While having this washer pushed inside there with your finger, you would go ahead and screw the screw into the nut, and that's how you would do it. So I'm basically going to go ahead now and do that myself off camera. And guys, I present to you my pretty much finished product, 488 GTE model. Alright, so I took off the Tricolore stickers that were down here. I added here a 488. And the sticker had like a green line here, a red line here, and it said 488 GTE. I basically took a regular pair of scissors and I cut those off. So I cut the top part off, I cut the bottom part off where it said GTE, and it had a red line where the green line was here too. And basically just put 488. Make it more simpler and smaller and less noticeable. Alright, I put this rear quarter panel vent in here and the other side, and also put the 488 on the other side as well. Okay, I didn't put any stickers in the front and in the rear, guys. I actually put the Italian flag down here. It was just black and plain looking, so I figured, hey, I'll put something here. I wanted to put the Italian flag up here, but it didn't really fit so well, so I put it down here instead. Alright, in conclusion, guys, I used a screwdriver here. It's a Phillips star head screwdriver. Alright, so basically had it inside here, turning the screw while I held in the nut with my finger. So once it was completely very tight, it wouldn't really turn too much anymore, I was finished the job. And now, guys, the steering wheel works absolutely wonderfully and so magnificent. I'll show you guys it turning. You see, turns, stops there, turns, stop there. Doesn't have a good turning radius, but that's okay, because if anyone's using this car indoors, it creates less of a problem basically, especially when you have a lot of furniture and a lot of stuff around that can easily hit. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you guys all the stickers that I used basically off the sticker sheet. Here was the 488 GTE stickers that I cut down to size. This is the big Tricolore that goes over the hood and front bumper. I didn't use that. These two are the actual rear quarter panel vents. The vents down here basically. Okay, and here was the actual Italian flag, which is put in the rear bumper. Basically next to the rain light area, and that's all. There's no actual Ferrari logo sticker for the actual steering wheel, so I'm gonna have to get that afterwards from somewhere else, looks like. So there you have it, guys. My all new and my very first supercar, Ferrari 488 GTE 2020 model. I'm so thrilled, so excited to park this car in my collection of cars and drive it around together with my new nephew. That's right, guys. I bought this car primarily for my new nephew. So this then affected this video. I hope you guys like my spec on my car and everything. I highly recommend you guys go ahead and buy one for yourself. They have this car in red color and yellow color. I went with a red, but it's up to you guys what color you want. I like red, I went with a red. If you like yellow, there's nothing wrong with yellow, you can go ahead and buy it, no big deal. Alright? Guys, on the next day, I ended up finding this website. It's called 3dcarstickers.com, and basically here we see these 3 rims. I went to the first rim here, it says select brand. Underneath that says car brand center caps. So I went ahead and clicked on the select brand, pulled down tab, and selected Ferrari. And then out of all the Ferrari center caps they had available, I went ahead and chose this one. Make sure, guys, to actually measure your horn button, okay, to make sure the size is correct in order. I measured my horn button to be 25 millimeters or 2.5 centimeters. So I chose that under the diameter drop down tab. Okay, you can choose any size you want, 24 millimeters, 26 millimeters, basically whatever you choose. I'm Mr. Greek 2002. Please catch a huge like on this video and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.